Are you still sleeping?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But the way Tanjina is talking is like, but she's
No,
sleeping and then talking.
no, ma'am. I'm talking slowly. That's all.
Okay, so because this time we will have less time, so as you know that basically in this course you have to do one project, right? But as this time you will have very limited time, so it may not be possible to complete the whole project. But what you will do, you have to just make some object, okay? Or you have to what? Just draw some of the object. If you cannot complete the whole project, that is also okay. But the thing is that you have to try, okay? That means you should learn how the OpenGL works. So that will be your assignment, that you have to learn how OpenGL works. So I will take one class based on that, but before that, I will show you how to set up the environment. Okay. So first you just set up the environment, then one class we will discuss about how we can start with OpenGL, and after that I will give you one assignment, and then you draw one rectangle, one triangle like this. Okay. So you can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the idea with working with code block, right? You have
Yes.
worked, I think you have worked on
Yes,
code
ma'am.
block. Okay, so basically we will use this platform, or you will use this platform for working with OpenGL as well. But you have to import some of the library function of OpenGL. That is the difference. So you will call some of the function of OpenGL to design any of the object. So that is what you have to integrate the OpenGL with the code block. That is your task. Okay. So first you just see the sequence, and I will give you the what functions and all the resources, whatever is necessary to install the OpenGL. And if you face any problem, then you just tell me. In next class I will show you like how to fix those. Okay. So first thing is that you have to install the you have to install the code block, okay? And then after installing the code block, so you have to go through this URL, that is in your local disk where you install all of your software, and then Windows and system. So this is the place where you have to copy these function GAL32DLL. Okay, so you have to copy this function at this folder. That is the second step. So first step is that you have to install code block, and then second step you have to copy this function guard function to the system folder. So after that, and this function I will give you, and then after that what you have to do, that is like you have to copy this header file, guard header file, at this position. That means wherever in your code block, you have to go through your code block folder. That means if you install code block, so obviously it will be found in your program file. So after that you have to go through min GW, then include file, and then you will go through this GL folder. Okay. So after that, the third task is that what? So after copy the header file, then you have to copy the library function. Okay, then the library function you have to copy, that is in vimgw, and then within the library you have to copy the library function. So after that, just there's some other ID you work, then you have to start with like that. So you will start with the empty project. So then you have to choose new project, and then what will be the project, like the Gulf project. You have to choose here the Gulf project, and then what, just like some other software installation. Then you will give the project title, and then finally it will be installed. So whenever you have installed, or whenever you have just taken an empty file, empty project, so that time if you just compile, you will have the default look like this. That means this different color of object will be generated by default. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
So I'm just uploading all the resources. Okay, so you just do one thing. You will start installing this software. Okay, start installing this environment, or create the environment now. I will just upload all those things. Then you will set your environment.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we use VS Code?
VS Code.
Yes, ma'am.
For which purpose?
For this OpenGL or Flat.
Visual Studio. You can use any of the platform. The thing is that if you can integrate with the function of OpenGL, I will just check whether you are working with OpenGL or not. That means you have to call some of the OpenGL function, you have to implement those. So that is what I will check. But you can use any of the IDE, so no problem on that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Viva marks I will tell you later. Just after some time. So you have OpenGL installed in your PC right now?
No, miss.
So first install the OpenGL. Okay, all of you first install the OpenGL. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Those
I
who are
can
in
hear.
villages like me and don't have laptop with us, so what will we do?
But at the beginning, I told you that you should manage one laptop. Because if you don't do anything, then you will not actually have the actual feeling of this course. Although it's not, it will be a bit tough, but till then, at least you should learn something that how this is being implemented, like the transformation. So, how this transformation is being implemented in computer graphics. If you just know about theoretically, so you will not get the idea. So that is for your benefit. That if you think about the marks, I can, let's say, I can consider that. I will tell you that I will consider the marks, but it's not the matter of marks, right? And being an engineering student, you have to understand, and this is for your betterment, and this is not for me. So I will suggest that manage,
Yes,
manage from your cousin, manage from somebody else, like for some hours. So it's up to you. I cannot pressure because of this situation, but the thing is that that is for your betterment. If you can manage, so you will be benefited. If you cannot manage, then it's up to you. So I'm just giving you the files that are necessary, okay, and also the what code block. But I think this is very earlier version, okay. So you can download the updated one or according to the compatibility of your system. Because this is a very old one, whatever I have, but till then I'm uploading. See, you may have some conflict issue, right? Some function may not support or something can happen like this, but you can Google it. All the solution is there, and you have to upload the function, or you have to use those function according to the version of your software or according to the system configuration. So you can check and you can solve that out. I have uploaded, but it's taking time. So yeah, all of you make pair, okay? So make pair in the sense around you have 45 or 46 students, whatever. So make 2 people or 3 people in a group, okay? Then you will discuss about OpenGL, you will decide what you will do and you will do that together. So maximum 3 of you can do the project, okay?
Ma'am, 2 or 3 people.
Yeah, 2 or 3 people.
Okay.
So if anyone is interested to if anyone want to do the single one, he or she can do the single one. Okay. you can see that I have uploaded, okay? And you can have all the file, like the header file, whatever I said, that is you have to copy those files. So that is also given, and at the same time, you can find the code block here also. But it's better if you download from the internet the code block and you install it. It's also better because it's a very old version. Okay, so you take this file, see the instruction, and then install or create your environment now. You have received, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then set the environment. Anyone else like the same condition of Mustaqim? You don't have any laptop or PC with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are like this?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? That means,
Ma'am, I will go to Dhaka about 2 or 3 days.
okay, to bring laptop.
No, ma'am.
Then why are you coming here?
Ma'am, to go my home. I am in my hometown, that's why.
Okay. Tell me your name. How many of you don't have laptop or anything?
Ma'am, Tawfiqul Rahman.
Tawfiq, one.
And Tanjima.
Then
Ma'am, Ibha.
Ibha, then
I'm Grant. My laptop has some issues.
Naomi.
Grant, what happened with your laptop?
It broke down a few days ago.
Oh, you have to fix it.
Ma'am, Nadine.
Yeah, I have to, but there are some issues that there is really bad situation for the laptop. And
Yeah.
maybe I have to get a new one, something like that.
Jinia, then anyone else?
Ma'am, Tanjina.
Jawar, Tanjina.
Naomi Wonder.
Ami. Anyone else? So already got 8 of you, does not have anything. So you would just try to manage one laptop, okay?
Ma'am, how can I manage?
You have to find your way. How can you manage?
Yeah, it's difficult for me right here. That's why. It's difficult for me right here to get it.
So you are in hostel, right?
Now, I'm in Baridara.
Collect from your friends or somebody else, your elder or someone else you know.
That would be a difficult task.
Okay, so have you started installing the environment? Whoever is having all those things. So today you just decide who will be in group, okay? Or is better you just do the single project. It will not be project, in fact, you have to do your single assignment. So what you prefer?
Ma'am, group project will be better.
Yeah, but in group, not all of them want. That is the problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
draw some single image or picture like that.
Mm-hmm.
But we just draw some single picture or image by using GL.
Yes. Give your attendance 1.
Present, ma'am.
2. So what is the progress?
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am using Linux. That's why the first window of the OpenGL is this is the first window of the OpenGL window. OpenGL. Is it okay?
So start with taking any project, then see what you get by default.
Then there is a this program is given by the instruction. I just copy and paste there, and this window is come.
Okay, all right. Because I don't have what if you use different ID, then it is tough for me to give the instruction. It's better if you all use the same platform.
Okay.
Okay, but if you are very confident enough that you can handle in that case, you can use some other ID. Okay, but if you need help in that case, I will tell you that it's better you use the common platform. Okay. 5, Abdul Rahman 55, Then Nasim Hussain 55, Nadia Chinia 50, then Sezan Muntakim 55, Abdullah Al Jawad 55, Omi Mondul 50, Kamrul Hassan 50, Jannatul Firdaus 50, Asif 55, Ikram 52, Imon 50, Labuni 50, Sadia Nouri 52, and Samir Rahman 48, Tonu 55, then Rasha, in Baiba you got 50 and in Hindi you got 39. Then, Kondokar Arifa 50, and then Toma 55.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
Khondokar Arifa Nasrin written result
38,
and Viva.
50.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Tawfiq 55, Kausar 50.
Ma'am, T3 can't hear.
What?
T3 Viva result.
50. 50. Then Nitu 55, Mustaqim 50, Chaudhry Jeba 55, Mo 48, Grant 45, Tariqul Islam Khan 50, Afroza 48, Tanjima 55, Hasibur Rahman 55, then Rakibul Hassan 48, Mo 45, Samsu Salekin 52, Sanjida Shabnam 50, Mitu 55, Johura 55, Ashraful Islam 50, Neem 55, Shojibur. Please.